Come bake with us at Life Before Plastic. We're baking with the kit from Bottled Baking, which comes in a glass jar, which is such a lovely gift for friends, family, or let's be honest, even for yourself. Today we're making a vegan chocolate and walnut brownie mix. The only extras you need are vegetable oil and water. So we start by turning on the oven before mixing all of the dry ingredients from the glass bottle with water and vegetable oil. It really could not be any easier. Bottled Baking themselves are an incredible company. Not only do they make these delicious cakes, but their production facilities are also solar powered and they capture and reuse rainwater. Now that is super cool. After mixing it all together, which features a lot of dancing and laughing, we highly recommend doing this with friends and family. We pop the mix into our handy reusable silicone baking tray before popping the mix into the preheated oven. As this one is vegan, it is safe to lick the spoon and bowl, which, as you know, is clearly the best bit of baking. Whilst the brownie's cooking, we clean down all the surfaces with an Ocean Saver dissolvable sachet. Really great cleaning tip if you haven't tried it before. Once everything is clean, we get ready to dig into the absolutely delicious brownie, and trust me, it is delicious. Let us know if you try Bottled Baking for yourself.